We are going to be installing Google TV Chromecast, and if you have it plugged in correctly, your TV should be showing this animation. You're going to grab your remote control, and we're going to pair it to the Chromecast by pushing the arrow button and the home button at the same time for 3 seconds. Select your language. Get your phone out and have the Google Home app installed on it and open it up. Have a little patience and you should see a prompt on the Home app itself, and when you see it, go ahead and click it. Choose the Chromecast. Scan the QR code with the camera on your phone. And you are now connecting your application to the Chromecast itself. So both of them are currently connecting at the same time. We'll speed this up a little bit. Go through the legal stuff. Location of the device, and connecting to your Wi-Fi. Your Chromecast with Google TV have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone if you wish to screencast on it. And we're connected. Sign in with your Google account. Of course, obviously, as Google TV, you have to sign in with your Google account and verify it's you. You don't have to use two-factor on this. All you have to do is type in your password, and that would be it. I've sped up the process that you see in this video. It takes a while. It took me, I have slow speed internet, so the whole process took me about 30 minutes to do, especially with the software update that you're seeing right this second. So you go through the Google services and choose what level of privacy you want, and the Google Assistant as well, and your TV apps. My assistant already recognizes my voice. And I'm beginning to wonder if I'm the only one that actually enjoys YouTube music. You can choose family pictures or art gallery. I'm picking art gallery this time. And you are done with your phone and the Google Home app. So you can go ahead and set your phone down. We're going to go back to the controller, and we're going to work on the volume. Choose which type of TV you have. I have Insignia brand that you saw in the picture when I took the QR. Sounds like it works to me. Okay, when you use the power button to test, it will turn off everything. I'm just going to throw a funny little animation up in here, make up for, because it actually cut off and you cut it back on again to test it. And if it did turn off, you're going to push yes. And your Chromecast remote is done. Now this is the part that takes the most time because installing the apps is very time consuming. I think this took about a good 20 minutes for me. But if you have faster internet than me, I'm going to cut through it. So the power of editing video. Your Chromecast is ready, and brothers and sisters, enjoy your Google TV.